If you are looking for a latest Hostinger coupon code through which you can save an awesome amount of money when you buy your hosting from Hostinger, then you are at the right place, because in this video I will reveal a special discount link which you can find in the description of this video, along with two of the special discount coupon codes through which you can save a lot of money when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So the procedure is very easy. Make sure to click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive link, you will be landed over here. We can see an amazing discount deal running right now, guys. Don't worry, I will also reveal two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discount on already running deals. Make sure to watch this video in full. If you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger is being recommended by WordPress.org, Trustpilot, Google, hosted by WPN. All of them says that Hostinger is an amazing hosting company, and you know that the Trustpilot reviews are clickable reviews. Anyone can click and see it. So to see the transparency, you can see over here that Hostinger is no. Natalia was like, no other chat support, I have done it. She was right over here holding my hand and waited until I felt complete with all of my questions. You can see over here. Thank you to Benny Dictas. Best host service. Okay. The best thing over here is that not all of the reviews are 5-star reviews, but the best thing is that you are being covered with 30 days money back guarantee when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. Isn't it amazing deal with Hostinger? And if you scroll, these are the 3 most popular plan, and you can use this coupon code on any of the plan. But before we discuss on their hosting plans, I want to tell you more features about Hostinger. For instance, you can create a website through their powerful AI builder, and it's not an issue. Just have to give the command, it's automatically going to create a website. And in case if you're coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated website migration service through which you can easily transfer your website, and that too free of cost. And this is the control panel, which is super easy, super friendly. Even a beginner or even a newbie can operate it. Hostinger also have local data centers all around in the world, fastest speed with 24/7 support, and the security features are just mind-blowing. You are getting automatic backups, SSL security certificates, DDoS attacks, prevention with cloud fail protected name servers, and right now 3 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and even I'm using it. And if you want to join this Hostinger family, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code. Now I'm going to tell you the step-by-step procedure on how to avail this coupon code discount. Scroll above and select any plan. I recommend you guys to simply select the see all features on all the plans to do a thorough comparison of features and plans before you're going to buy. If you ask me, I recommend you to offer the premium or business plan. They have almost everything which you need. Once you decide on your plan after doing your research, simply select the choose plan with any plan you're going to buy to avail this coupon code discount. So once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to this page. Over here you can see that this is a limited time deal over here. So now select your billing period. Now this coupon code is valid only on 12, 24 and 48 months plans, so you have to choose it wisely. The advantage with 48 months is that you are getting 3 months free plus free domains, which makes it a very supreme deal. So once you select the billing period, select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply apply over here, and you're going to see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount deal. Now there is another coupon code as well, and that is with the name of HI10. So you can use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount over here. And you can see that your 30 days money back guarantee is already loaded. Once you apply your coupon code, simply select the continue over here to move on to the last page. And over here you can see your order summary with your coupon code discount already applied. Now write your billing details and simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, you will be moved to your last area, and that is selecting your payment method. Hostinger offer by default a lot of payment methods. You can choose any as per your convenience. Let's say we're going to credit card. Simply select the credit card, write to credit card details, and simply select the submit button. That's how easily you can buy your hosting from Hostinger with a special discount coupon code. If you ask me, I've been using it from the last 4 years, and I highly recommend you guys to take the advantage of this special coupon code deal. Make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to enjoy your hosting from Hostinger, and you are being covered with 30 days money back guarantee. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.